Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas now trading at a level of $3.7449, and if you look at this particular trend, a U pattern is forming. After that there is a downfall, and if the price started sustaining this level, it can move above a level of $4 and crossing 4.3 will be there. As soon as the price started going up this level, probability of going towards 4.5 we can see, and from there a level of 4.9. After 4.5 we can see a level of 4.9, and then a further upside can be seen. See, there is a clear U pattern is forming. Now if you look at this particular trend, the price is already above a support, that is 3.7. This is a strong support. So what we can see, if it started going down, we can see a bounce back. Okay, and if this bounce didn't sustain this level, it can move towards next level, that is 3.18. Okay, these are the two levels which we can see a good bounce back can come. These are the two strong support. This is support 1 and this is support 2. Okay, now this is the downside. We can see if these two levels are not sustained. But suppose if the price sustain this level and move above 4.2. Okay, so if the price sustain above 4.2, chances of going further upside will be there, because this particular pattern is forming and there is a trend towards an upside. If you look at this particular trend, chances of going upside we can see, and then it can move towards 4.5, and if the price going above this level, a further upside can be seen. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, now look at this particular chart. Okay, the natural gas price now trading at a level of 3.749. Okay, and the price of natural gas depends on a lot of factors. Okay, and one of the factor is dollar index. Okay, and there is, if there is a war situations come, if there is some Fed interest rates comes, okay, or if there is some sanction happening on certain countries, that is where the factors of natural gas price. So now there is a war situation, that is where we have seen a good volatility in the natural gas price. Dollar index is always inversely related to natural gas, so when it goes down, we see the natural gas price goes up, and when dollar index rises, we see the natural gas price comes down. Okay, and they are inversely related to each other. So what we can see, let's come back again on the dollar index. I'll show you, because see, they are inversely related. Okay, so now if you look at this particular price, this is has touched after a very long time. Okay, that is in the 2012 we have seen the price has touched a level of $97 index. Okay, and because the imports happened on the basis of dollars, so you have to understand, see, suppose there is a certain amount of import is there, then they have to pay this amount of dollars. Okay, so when the dollar price reduces, they will get the same amount in less amount of dollar. Okay, so if you look at this price, we can see the price is trading at a level of 97.2, and if the price started falling below this level, chances of falling further fall we can see towards 96.6, and if the price going below that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of 95.5, then to a level of $95. Okay, but if it started sustaining above this level, it can move further upside towards 98.4, and from there a further upside can be seen towards 99.5, and then a further high towards a level of around 100.3, and if that sustained, we can see a level of $100.9, and if the price moving off this level, probability of touching 102 we can see, and then a further high can be there towards 103. Okay, coming back on the natural gas price, see, I already explained you regarding the dollar index, because they are inversely related. Okay, and now you have to understand, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what we can see, suppose if it sustain this level, because see, what we have seen, that it has already touched this support and a bounce back we have seen. So suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go further upside towards $3.78, and if the price moving out that particular level, chance of going towards 3.93 we can see. Suppose if the price sustaining above a level of 3.93, it can go further upside towards a level of $4, Okay, and this 3.93 is already tested, so we can see the price will go further high, and from there a further upside can be seen towards a level of around $4.22. This $4.22 is already tested, so the price will move further upside and it will move towards $4.55. Suppose if the price sustaining above that level, price can touch a level of $4.93. Okay, after 4.55 we can see a level of 4.93, and then there will be a zone breakout will happen, because this level we will be seeing after 3 years. So you have to understand there will be a rise if the price sustain above 4.2, and chances of going above a level of 4.5 is higher if the price sustain this level. Okay, but see the trend we can see if it sustain above 4.2 towards an upside, because this will create this particular pattern. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, suppose if started falling below this level, a level of 3.7, this is a strong support. So if the bounce back didn't come, we can see a further fall, so we can see it can touch a level of $3.22. Okay, this particular, so there can be a bounce back at this level. After this level we can see a level of 3.22. Okay, and but the price didn't sustain that level, we can see it will touch a level of $3. After 3.2 we can see a level of $3, and if the price moving below that particular level, chance of touching 2.93 will be there. If the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching 2.8. Okay, and if the price fall below 2.8, we can see the price can move further down, and yes, then we can see a level of 2.6, then to a level of $2.4, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall can be seen. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.